My first builds back to modeling was that Charger 500, and that one was partially assembled. I think that came out great. So you got that there, and let me put the roof on. Good looking car. It's gonna look nice when we're done with it. So that'll close out this model kit of the month. Hopefully you follow along till the tail end. We've been picking up new subs. That's nice. It's always good to have the support and have the following. Give this video a like. Toss me a comment. Let me know what you think. I think models were molded to be put together, and I don't know why this was partially put together and stopped, but maybe it fell off a shelf. I mean, you can see where this was glued on back there. See the glue line? Who knows? But give me a like, give me a comment. Until we see each other again, everyone out there be safe and everyone be blessed. And thank you for watching.